Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Hyundai Elantra L. Coming in this nice beige coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.8-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 6-speed manual transmission. Taking a look at the back here, we do have some nice chrome-looking decals. You got splash guards on the rear and front. And moving to the front, we do have that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your rear seats from just right there, which is pretty nice. And of course, you can lift this up for additional storage with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. We have a carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, and of course you can fold this down. Let me see if I can get it for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. We got powered door mirrors and powered windows. We have our lights and traction all on our left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 63,836 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, the Hyundai logo. We have our steering wheel modes, which are normal, sport, comfort, and all that fun stuff. You got your trip and all that stuff. And to my right, we have our gear select manual transmission. Parking brake, cup holders, little storage. You do get storage in the glove compartment. And right here we do get, let me see, additional storage here with a 12-volt aux, iPod, USB, all that jazz. You got climate controls right there with your hazards. We got some vents. You can change your clock from right here. AM, FM, media. Scan, setup, menu. You can go through all that. Audio, your fave radio stations, enter, folder, seek, track, and all that usual stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB67061A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.